Welcome to Chan Cook, a new episode here with our host, Gail Chan. So Gail, what are we cooking tonight? That looks like some rice.
Yes, so we're making Japanese style chicken and egg don, which is rice.
Don means rice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's have a look. We got some, what is that? Mixed rice?
Mixed wild
rice.
Rinse the rice a little bit, so there is
So what you're going to pour this water away?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So you're just washing it with a little bit of water, and then you're emptying that out. Now I can see, what's this? That looks like a garlic clove. So you're just smashing that with the
Put some garlic,
pestle and mortar.
Yeah.
So that goes in, and then I'm guessing it's going to be ginger and some other maybe sauces.
Yeah, just
This will be marinated for when it's done for how long approximately?
like half an hour, hour, that sort of thing.
It smells quite good already.
Ginger.
Mm.
So we've got the big three.
The big three, let me guess. Soy sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, and I think that is Shaoxing cooking wine. So what is Shaoxing cooking wine? Is this something that all Chinese households will have?
Oh yeah, rice wine, basically 98%.
Okay.
Salt, a bit of water, basically is rice wine.
Yeah.
But,
so how much is we putting in?
Sort of like a couple of cups.
All right. So a couple of cupfuls of Shaoxing rice wine, Shaoxing cooking wine, and in goes some sesame oil. Liberal quantities of sesame oil, it looks like.
And then you also need some sesame oil for frying later.
Right. Okay. So these are the three that only these three you're using for marinade. That's soy sauce. Light or dark?
This is the Japanese type.
So what have we got, Gail?
Very clearly. So we've got some chopped mushroom, slice them.
Sliced mushrooms.
Yeah, the marinated chicken.
Marinated chicken from before. This looks like some
beaten egg.
beaten egg. A bit of a weird colour. Have you added anything to them?
I added some sesame oil, a splash of soy sauce.
Yeah.
And that's it.
And then
some onion.
Some chopped onion. Okay, so
I
what?
also have some spring onion for later.
Okay, so what happens now? On goes the wok.
Surely.
Insane heat.
Yep.
And in goes the sesame oil.
But remember, because we already marinated the chicken with sesame oil, and because we use thighs, and so there will be plenty of fat, so you don't really need a lot of oil.
No.
Pretty much. Just enough to coat it.
Yeah, so coat the wok, and then you're banging in the chicken, is it?
Yeah, when the wok is hot.
Okay. Right, so I can see the wok is sort of smoking away, so the oil's nice and hot, so in goes the onion. So how long does this whole thing take to cook, this stir-frying part then?
Like 10-15 minutes, until the chicken is cooked and everything is cooked, you know?
Okay, so
onion, nice and browned off a little bit.
So the onions are not taking long in this wok. I mean, they're already browned nicely and you're ready to add the chicken. All right, very quick. I like it.
And then once the chicken is cooked a little bit, then add the mushroom.
Yeah. So you'll cook the chicken for what, 2 or 3 minutes?
Maybe a little bit more than that.
Oh.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Right, 5 minutes in the wok. And that's the heat you can see is pretty much maximum.
Okay, cut.
Okay, so it looks like the chicken is now done, and I see you've just added in the mushroom. So what was that, about 5 minutes? The chicken?
Yeah.
With the lid on, actually. So you just sort of sear it at the start in the wok, and then you cover with the lid.
Yeah.
And just
look at this juice.
Yeah, you can see all the liquid that's come out of it. Looks good. So the mushrooms have been in for about a minute now, I guess. I can see the rice cooker over there is done, so that means the rice is ready. So next thing will be to add the egg, I think.
Yep.
Okay. So it looks like you're not setting the egg too much, is that right?
No.
So why is that then?
Oh, because it's the Japanese way of the don, you know?
So the don sort of sauce, or the don with the rice, you want the sort of relatively loose egg.
correct.
So it's cooked but not, you know, scrambled fully.
Yeah.
Looks good. So that's it, is it? Heat's off.
And then
Here comes the rice.
try looking at
Have a look at this rice. As you can see, we didn't do much with it other than wash it, and there it is, perfectly delivered by the rice cooker.